Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of browser download failed on the application of Brave. Very good settings. In this page, we click on Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. On above, you will search about Brave and you will click here. Then in this page of App Info, you will click on First Stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.